Okay, today we have a special unboxing from B&H. Not that you can tell, it's ripped off the label. But yeah, let's give this an unboxing and check it out. So I ordered this like, I don't know, not even 2 days ago, which is really fast. So, pretty tough packaging, actually. Okay. B&H. So this is hopefully going to help out with the channel. Sony camera. It's the ZV-1F. So it's kind of like your beginner, you know, next step up from a phone where fixed focal length. You can't take the lenses off. It's got a flip out screen, the dead mouse, and B&H had a sale or some kind of like, I don't know, a better price than Amazon or most places, where it came with a couple extra goodies. So it came with this tripod. Here. So that's pretty cool. And it came with something else. Where'd it go? Supposed to be like extra storage. Oh, never mind. It's right here. So there's the extra storage. That's pretty cool. Yeah, Amazon had this for like $650 or something like that, and B&H had it for $550. But the camera itself is usually $550. So yeah, let's get this box out of the way. Today we're in the Seiko again. So if you watched my last video, you'll know that got this strap. It's a little scratchy, but it's actually warming up. It's not so stiff anymore. It's not as scratchy as it was a week ago, so that's a good sign. Just wearing it every day until that I like it. So wow, this thing is pretty small. Comes like this nice felt pouch. Wow. I mean, this thing is small, guys. Really small. Here's an open L number 8 knife. So around the same length as that. Wow, it's like an inch thick. Here's your flip out. So that's pretty cool. Yep, it's got a microphone jack. So that's kind of why people like this over the ZV-1, the more expensive brother of this. The ZV-1 didn't have this, and microphone jack, and there's also Type C, USB Type C, and there's also mini HDMI. So I guess you could do like streaming with this. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's just like a really basic point and shoot digital camera that's just kind of designed for vloggers, basically. So people like myself who want to film watches, I can get a little bit better footage than I was. Right now, this is being shot on my iPhone, so you know. Here's your dead mouse. That's pretty cool. Helps with like wind noise. Let's put that there. Type C. It's like there's like something else in there maybe. Battery, perhaps. Yeah, it's just like a battery. So I read the battery life on these is not amazing. So, is it battery? 1200 milliamp hour. Okay, let's get this box out of here now. You can check out the little vlogging kit. So the B&H price basically included this for free. So, which is nice. Save myself an extra like $100 or so. Get a box within a box. Okay, here it is. Here's your storage. Here's your storage. Comes with like a quick start guide, maybe. Travel pouch, documentation, stuff like that. That's pretty cool. Just screws in. So yeah, it's gonna be like that kind of. It's also a nice handle. But you know, this is my first real camera, so I think this is pretty nice. Let me know if you think this is nice. If there's better ones, or I'm pretty happy with this. I can get some quick buttons here, and they just fold out automatically, split out. Boom. I can just start doing stuff. So, all right, yeah. So this is just a quick unboxing of the Sony ZV-1F. So, yeah. All right, stay tuned. Thanks. Bye bye.